If you are thinking about signing up for Skool, in this review, I'm going to cover everything you need to know to let you know if Skool is the right platform for you to get started with your paid community. Now, in a previous video, I actually went over our full bonus stack. If you do decide to buy Skool, use that link down in the description. I'm going to give you all these for free. Now, the other video goes in depth into these. I'm going to scroll through them really quickly, and then we're going to spend most of our time talking about the Skool platform itself. All these bonuses are 100% for free. If you use the link in the description, all you're going to do is email me at info@jakethornhill.com. I give you all this stuff for free. I get a commission through Skool when you use that link, and you don't pay an extra penny. If there's ever anything else you're buying online, feel free to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. We build bonus packages that are world class for any and everything. So email me. If we already have one for whatever you're buying, I'll give you that. And if not, I'll build one from scratch for you, and then I can offer it to other people as well. So real quickly, let me go through these, and then we'll talk actually about the Skool platform. So bonus number one, the paid community playbook, which is both, I believe, just both course and audio. Lead magnet guide, the done for you social course, which is a course. The 223 viral post templates, the AI influencer course, the hidden traffic formula course. This one is crazy. We did way too many bonuses for this. Jake's top list of best affiliate programs, and a vault of 120,000 faceless videos. You will be able to drive traffic to your Skool community with this bonus pack, and we're going to help you develop what it actually means to run a community in a way that people become obsessed and want to spend time there. It's hard to imagine anyone's dropping a better bonus pack than we do on pretty much anything, but especially on Skool. So make sure you use that link down in the description. Email me at info@jakethornhill.com if you decide to go with Skool. Let's talk about Skool specifically. When you use that link in the description, this is the page it's going to take you to, which is going to allow you to come right here and sign up for your community. Now, Skool is we've probably been on the platform now for, I think, about a year and a half or so. Excuse me, this is a little more casual channel than my main one. I think it's been about a year and a half we've been on the platform, and this thing has grown so much. One of the coolest things that I've seen is the amount of different niches that are not only like on the platform, but they're being successful on the platform. So, I mean, check this out. You can see hobbies from the Brotherhood of Scent, a fragrance community. That's wild. Acting, watch lover community. That's cool. Art. Let's see. Photography. Top chess gang. That's really cool. I actually just saw that a few minutes ago when I was making the bonus video. That showed up here. At the time, the top chess gang was free. Apparently, they're charging $2 a month now. Man, look how many what is that one? That's cool. Dadland, where fit dads do amazing things. I mean, just so many cool communities. SAT prep is a really good one. Man, the monetization for that would be really good. So I'll talk through some logistics here in a second. My personal one is a business. Well, so there's some on music. Obviously, you can go through and look at all the different categories yourself. Mine is in the make money online niche. It is oh man, I heard this guy's been popping off. I heard this one is really, really good. Mine's called the Online Business Academy. We have 6 different business models that we teach now, full courses inside of them. And it's just awesome what we've been able to create, the people I've gotten to know through this. And there's so many strategies that people implement when doing it. So, I mean, some people will do a free and a paid, and they'll drive people to the free and then eventually upgrade them to the paid. But Skool has added some things in that really give you a lot more options. So one of the things now that you can do is, let's talk a little bit through monetization. So for example, let's go to, let's just go back to money because it's simple. So let's say right here, wholesaling real estate, the group is free. Like obviously some groups are just paid groups, and it's very easy to see how they're monetizing. But how does a group like, let's say, wholesale real estate actually make money? So there's a couple options. One thing you can do, and I actually don't think I have my own course pulled up. So also I better cover this. The transaction fees are only 2.9%, which is crazy low. And under this hobby, $9 a month, you get all of this stuff. higher transaction fee. So as you start to grow, you do want to switch to the $99 a month, but this lets you get started at $9 a month. You just don't get the custom URL or the hide suggested communities. But for $9 a month, that's crazy. Also, can we just talk about the fact you could get all those bonuses for $9 a month is wild. That's so crazy. Because of bonuses. I mean, every single one of those is worth more than $9 a month. So these are the individual ones. Let me pull up on my other screen mine. I meant to pull this up before we started, but I didn't. So let me pull this over. So this is the Online Business Academy. So what you can do is, obviously we are a paid community. So most of our money is coming on the front end. Then we also monetize through affiliate offers. So for example, if you're creating your Amazon course, you can come in and throughout the Amazon course, let me see if there's a good example here. I might have one for SellerAmp. So for example, I had a course here on SellerAmp, which is a software that you need in order to run this business. There's a free trial for the software, and basically I give them my affiliate link. Hey, go try out the free trial. And I think for this one, we actually had an extended free trial that we negotiated with SellerAmp. So they get a better deal than they would otherwise get by getting the extended free trial. They then go through the trial, and if they decide to keep using the platform, I get paid every single a portion. I don't remember this one. There's like 20 or 30% every single month that they use it, as long as they use it, right? So that's one really good way to monetize. Another one is you can come in, you can have a free community, and then I could lock all of my courses behind a paywall. So let's say, I don't want to mess anything up. Share course key is new. I need to look at that. That's interesting. So I can switch it to buy now. So members pay a one-time price to unlock it. And so they see it and they can just go in and buy individual courses anytime they want. You saw there's also an option to have a time unlock. So based on so if you're doing a free one, a free community, and want to put really good courses inside of it, you make someone stay for 30 days before you unlock a certain course. Or even in a paid one, you can do this as well. Because sometimes you come in and there's just so many courses that it's overwhelming. The time unlock makes people stay for an extended period of time. There's also a level unlock. I love this. So based on the engagement that people have in your community, they can score points as people like their comments, like their posts, like their replies, all of that. And they move up the leaderboard. And as they get higher up the leaderboard, they can unlock access to unique things. So you can see the leaderboard shows up right here. And all of my courses now are unlocked at level 1, and I won't go into why I personally did that, but it just depends on what kind of community you're making and how you're wanting to monetize it. So there's a lot of options there. Your about page is really just this cool sales page that you get to make out. So if you're familiar with marketing at all, usually what you do is you drive someone to a landing page, you collect their email, and then you send them over to the primary offer. Well, this actually turns into a sales page. So you don't have to build out your own sales page. You can put a video here. You can put all of your text about what you're going to find. You can maybe do a screenshot of proof. You can maybe do this one's a testimonial of someone in the group. And you can just give information about it right here. You can also have affiliates. So for me right here, it shows up at settings because it's my group. Let me go into a different group. I'll go into Elite here. And let's say I wanted to invite people. I could give them this link. And if someone joins through my link, I get 50% commissions for life as long as that person is within the group. So guys, it's just such a great platform, and it's getting better all the time. One of the things I really love, let's go out of that, is the amount of updates that Sam Ovens get. Also, if you're not familiar with Sam Ovens, he is a high level entrepreneur and has been for a long time. And he's proven it. My first real exposure to him was inside of Skool, and have been so impressed with him. So you can see, he does updates all the time where it's a 15-minute video where they go over some of the new updates. Apple and Google Pay is live, talks about benchmarks, gives some roadmap updates about these are things that are coming. Oh, that's huge. I actually didn't know about that. That's really cool. The speed, that's crazy. So Skool is an awesome platform. I can't recommend it enough. We're shaking up some of the way we are personally doing things because I'm launching a coaching program, and all my attention has to be there. So we're personally doing some things where we might make some changes. We might eventually do a free one. There's so many great ways to do it. What I suggest is coming in and finding one or two groups. You can find them by coming into what's the name of this one? Schoolers. And just find a few that are really doing well and then use the model that they are doing and implement it that way. Definitely don't go in and try like 10, 15 different things at one time. So I can't recommend Skool enough. It's a great platform. You've got your DMs up here. You've got your notifications up here. And obviously, if you do decide to buy down, in the description, my link is right down there. Make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. I'd love to give you our bonuses. That's going to help you drive traffic to your brand new Skool community and make sure that you actually start making money on this thing. So excited for you to get started. I think you're going to love it as much as I have. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.